supposed to be giving you a tour of Lancombe's indoor heated pool. It's so lovely and warm in here and so comfortable that me and my friend Shelley, we just drifted off. So I'm just going to have a bit of my drink and I'll show you around. And so there it is, Lancombe's indoor heated pool. And when I say heated, I'm not joking. So we always try and keep the air and the water at the mid-80s. And the reason for that is just so that children, from the very youngest to the very oldest, are comfortable getting into the pool and having a splash. And as you can see, there's plenty of floats to enjoy. And there's the lovely comfy seating area. We've got an accessible toilet here, so nice and big with a handrail. And there's 3 changing rooms and showers. So the first one is the ladies' changing room, and as you can see, the utilised hanging space with mirror and hairdryer. We come to the gents' changing room. Again, more hanging space, lots of room, and a hairdryer and a mirror. It's a lovely pool and very well used, very, very popular here at Lancombe. And the next one isn't a changing room, it's a sauna. Yes, total relaxation here at Lancombe, and have your toasty warm relax in our lovely sauna. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Lancombe's indoor pool.